a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Meriwether County in west central Georgia, southwestern Pike County in west central Georgia, northwestern Upson County in west central Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Crest, or 9 miles west of Thomaston, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust.
Put it near the lamp.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Thomaston, Molina, Sunset Village, Lincoln Park, Spruill Bluff State Park, Crest, Sunnyside, Atwater, Lixie Springs, and Hannah's Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.